She paid $177,500 for this property. She ended up turning it to 1,000 square feet, and she can potentially make over $300,000 in just one house. We are in the hood. Due to gentrification in this area, this is now the new norm. Without further ado, Chicorra, thank you for coming back to the channel.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, you're welcome. And I have a question, right? What made you like say, I'm gonna pull the trigger and get this property?
Gentrification. Look at what's going on.
Yeah.
Just look at the area. So we knew it made sense. It hurt my feelings, you know, to pay that much for 800 square feet. But we did it, and we've got other properties in the area. My father, I remember when we were little, he brought up a bunch of stuff over here, and we sold a bunch of stuff, and now look at the price. So we knew this was the way to go.
In the midst of you renovating it, is that when you realize like, damn, I made a really good decision? Or did you know before, like, yeah, I think we can turn this into something?
No, I knew in the beginning, so
Okay.
I'm happy to say that. We always go in with a plan. We had just bought another property, and I called my husband. I was like, hey, I'm going to get this property. You know, I don't say I'm going to bid. I say I'm going to get this property. And that's how he was like, are you sure? Wait a minute. I mean, we're like swamped. I was like, no, we can do this. And that's how it happened. That's how this one happened.
Now, I know you're originally from Charlotte, second generation in real estate, etc. This was a predominantly black neighborhood. Mm-hmm. And then Bright Walk came. Mm-hmm. And Bright Walk started to bring in the new money.
Right.
And then, yes, year after year, it's just more the new money started to come, and then just gentrification just took off. So when you bought this house, it was how many bedrooms, how many baths?
It was classified as a 2-bedroom, 1-bath.
Okay. All right. So let's take a look inside. So now we are standing in this kitchen, right? And let me tell you one thing about this house that I love, that it's an older house, but it looks extremely modern. What you did is you opened it up. It's extremely spacious. You have the 21st century fireplace. I actually had one of those in my personal house, and they actually shoot out heat. You did all the decorating and you picked out the finishes yourself?
Yes, with the help of my daughter. Let me shout her out, Michaela.
Okay, thank you, Michaela. This just looks really good. What I like is the butcher board. I did a house in Rock Hill, and we use some butcher board, but I just like it because it's cheaper and it looks good. Mm-hmm. So you put all the appliances, you got the dishwasher, you got everything. About this kitchen, like what would you say is your favorite part?
My favorite part, just me knowing me and what happened here, is that this was the porch and we closed it in.
Wow, this was the porch and you closed it in and made it into the house.
Right, and then this right here, like this, I spent some money on this.
Yeah, the backsplash. Backsplash is definitely beautiful. Going back here, I love how you tiled the whole house is tiled. It makes it look expensive.
Yes. If we would have put wood in here, it would have gave a smaller appearance.
Correct.
So we wanted to just make it look bright and airy.
Yeah, but it just makes the house look so expensive. So we have our bathroom over there. That's the shared bathroom for the house. So right now this house is 1,000 square feet. Mm-hmm. This is a smaller master, but you made it work so well.
Right.
Like this, I would have never done this, but this looks very good. I wouldn't even thought about doing that because now I got like the hotel feel stay.
Right, exactly.
So we have our bathroom over here. We got a closet on one side, another closet on the other side.
Now where do you get that? His and her closet, right?
His and her closet, yep. This turned out really well, like the way you decorate.
The shower bar in there too. So, you know, since when you got some trade-offs, so you've got some really nice fixtures because it's not as large. So we saved money by not putting the glass up.
All right, so now we have a surprise in the backyard. And keep in mind that we are in what was the hood. You know, but gentrification is running rapid, but this backyard is gonna blow your mind. Explain to me, what was your thinking when doing the backyard, like with a whole bunch of entertainment?
I just wanted to create like a spa-like atmosphere, like you are escaping, you know, from the world. It's just like secluded. Everything is private and we're just giving everybody what they want. For our health people, we got the bike rentals, we've got the cornhole toss, just what you would want to see when you go away.
Okay. All right, cool. Let's take a look into this because this is beautiful. This blew my mind. The house is furnished, and with the house being furnished, does this come with it or this is separate?
They can have this separately. So it's up to them. Either you can have the house or you can have the whole experience.
And of course, if they want the backyard as well, this is just a little bit more money.
Right, exactly.
We're currently in the Panthers season, and what happens is people from all over North and South Carolina come to town, and they can book this place. Some people can go to the game, some people can just watch it here, you know, but you can get the full experience because you're literally downtown. It's right there. I love this because you have your eating space over here. People can pass around their wings, etc., and not melt in the Carolina heat because they try to stand up in the 500 level at the Panthers. This is nice. So, all right, tell me about this project. What was right here originally?
This was a garage. So yeah, and it was dilapidated. It was in really bad condition. So what we did was we finished it. We closed this off because it was, of course, open on that end. So we closed it off and we opened it up here so it would open to the backyard. We put the lighting in. My favorite part of the house, just so you know. Okay.
Yeah.
That light is everything to me. We just turned it into a getaway. This is where you can come and you can lounge. You can separate yourself from the folks in the house and just have time to yourself.
Okay, and it's air conditioned here.
Oh yeah,
heated
absolutely.
as well. So
Absolutely.
Yeah, feels
and
real
this
good.
fireplace is amazing. It covers up to 600 square feet. So it's you're not going to have any issues. Even though we still have the split system, you're good to go.
You bought this house for $177,500.
Right.
How much did you end up putting into it?
Furnishings and everything, we paid $73,000 to renovate.
That's excellent.
The reason why is because, you know, if we would have outsourced this would have probably been like 200 grand just to
Easy.
renovate all of this.
Easy.
I mean, the driveway, we did a four parking space and just all of this because the grass, the yard was completely rocked. It was just not good, right? But we were able to use our own team members.
Okay, so wow, you did very well. When did you get your appraisal and how much was your appraisal for?
We got this appraisal probably about a month ago.
$550,000 for this. Wow. Okay.
And potentially more because we've done more. We've made some more changes and upgraded the property more because this was not completely finished. So yeah, we're hoping for closer to 6.
But your plan is you're gonna hold this.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
There's a lot going on in the neighborhood, as you know.
Everybody should hold in this area unless they want to sell to me.
What we have in paper right now is $550,000 for 1,000 square feet. So, if I'm not a mathematician, but that's essentially like $550 a square foot for this particular property that you just seen. Wow. So, Chicorra, there's a lot of people that's gonna have some questions for you. They're gonna want to reach out to you. How can people get in touch with you on social media?
Instagram.
Instagram, and what's your Instagram?
At Chicorra.
I'm gonna put that in the description. Mind you, we're not in California. We're not in New York City. You get 1,000 square feet on the outskirts of downtown Charlotte for $550,000. What do you think about this? I actually love this. You can get your nap in when you want to get away from people, etc. Host here, baby showers, private gatherings. You can do a lot of things here in this particular property. And you're gonna put this on Airbnb, correct?
Yes.
All right, so you can reach out to her via Instagram to get the link if you're interested in booking it. I'm gonna put the first video we did at her other house. So make sure you click on that video. Make sure you reach out. Yeah, I mean, you've seen it. Let me know. Like, are houses this expensive where you live?